I'm Mr. J. We're talking about the war between Israel and Iran today. It's our basic video, basic, B for basic, Tuesday. It's Tuesday, June the 17th, 2025, and our location is Israel and Iran. Definitely bad news, okay? Okay, let's look at our words. We have war, 1 syllable, airstrikes, 2 syllables, missile. All right, no, not missile, sorry, missile, 2 syllables, okay, be careful. We have, I guess it's the same in some languages. Look, it looks very similar in the here and here, right? Anyways, missile. We have military, 4 syllables. Nuclear, 3 syllables. Dangerous, 2. Weapons, 2. Retaliated, 5 syllables. Drones, 1. Government, 2. Airports, 2 syllables. We have injured, that's 2. Evacuate, 4. Directly, 3. And capital, 3. All sad sort of words, right? All right, here we go. Israel and Iran are now at war. It began when Israel launched airstrikes on Iran's missile bases, military buildings, and nuclear labs. Israel says it wants to stop Iran from making dangerous weapons. Iran retaliated with over 100 drones and missiles. Some hit buildings in Tel Aviv and other cities. Israel answered by bombing more government sites and airports. Over 200 people have died in Iran and at least 24 in Israel. Many are injured and people are leaving cities like Tehran to stay safe. Foreign governments have asked both sides to stop. U.S. President Trump told people in Iran's capital to evacuate. But Israel says it will continue. This is the first time the two countries are fighting directly. They were never friendly before, really. And they had some fights, but now they're fighting directly, like war style. Before, they used secret attacks or proxies. Now, the world is watching and hoping for peace. So am I. All right, why did Israel launch airstrikes on Iran? To stop dangerous weapons or for peace talks? How did Iran retaliate? With drones and missiles or with a music concert? What did Trump tell people in Iran's capital to do? Evacuate or celebrate? What kind of building did Israel bomb in Iran? Government sites or theme parks? What word describes how Israel and Iran are now fighting? How they're fighting now, right? Directly or secretly? All right, guys, this week we're doing game words, game match. Today's word match, right? Like a sports match, a soccer match. And our non-game match, what does it mean? It's important for women, maybe, or some men, maybe Korean men. Match, a game, competition, or contest between players or teams. The non-game meaning match two things that are the same or go well together, especially like clothes, right? Matching clothes. All right, here's the spelling, M-A-T-C-H, but you could say it like this, match. There's no T sound. Match. 1 syllable, just 1 syllable. The soccer match ended in a tie after an exciting game. Her shoes were a perfect match for her dress. Weather for tomorrow, Wednesday, June the 18th, 2025. Mexico City has a high of 24, a low of 13, and it's mostly sunny. Jakarta, Indonesia, high of 30, a low of 24, and let's say partly rainy. And Hanoi, Vietnam, a high of 32, a low of 26, and also rainy, or mostly rainy. Let's say mostly rainy. All right, guys, we talked about the weather. We talked about match and the war, the unfortunate war between Iran and Israel. I hope everyone has a good Tuesday, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.